Welcome everybody. In this video, we're diving into an all-in-one platform that's been a game changer for my business, Builderall. So if you're looking to streamline all of your digital marketing products into one comprehensive solution, you've come to the right place and I've got you covered. We're talking websites and funnel builders, email marketing, and even WordPress integration. If you're new here, I'm Brandon Kyle. I teach people how to make money online through affiliate marketing, side hustles, and other online passive income streams. And today we're talking about Builderall, a platform that I've been with for almost 2 years now. When I first came across Builderall, I was on the lookout for a way to consolidate my sprawling set of tools. So we're talking about website and funnel builders, email marketing, WordPress integration. So instead of having your service here, and here, right, Builderall really stepped up to the plate and allowed me to get everything underneath one roof. This really simplifies my workflow as well as it simplifies the total cost. So for example, before Builderall, I was actually with ClickFunnels. And ClickFunnels is amazing, but back then it was $97, which is still a little bit pricey. And all you could really do was funnels. You could kind of create courses, but there was no websites, there was no email marketing. Nowadays, it starts at $127. And then on top of that, for my email marketing, I had to have another program. I was using Aweber. I recommend them. They're great as well, but they're about $15 a month. And then if you want to have a website, then you need another website platform over here. And you can see how all of this starts to add up quickly, especially if you're new and just starting out. Having said that, one of the standout features for me and most likely for you is going to be the financial advantage. With Builderall, you can create a custom email address at your domain and it's free and unlimited. This is huge when you compare it to another service like GoDaddy, where that can cost you up to $70 per year. So let me expand on that quickly so you have a better idea. So if you're going to start an online presence, you're probably going to have a domain name like brandon.com. And if you're going to do email marketing, you're going to need an email address at that domain name in order to do email marketing. So that might be info@brandon.com or contact or sales at. You get the idea here. Okay. Now, if you're using an independent marketing platform like Aweber or Constant Contact or even MailChimp, they do not offer you a service to create an email address at your domain. You typically have to do it with your domain provider. Now, I buy all of my domains from GoDaddy, and GoDaddy partners with Microsoft Office, and they sell this for right around $70 per year for a single email address at your domain name, which is not that bad up front until you start to develop other websites or different domains. So it could be brandon.com, and then maybe you're going to do a pet one, so it's going to be kitty.com or doggy.com, or you're going to do healthandwellness.com. You get the idea here, right? So as you start to expand and grow your online presence, $70, $70, $70, right? This starts to exponentially grow. However, with Builderall, this is what I love the most about it, is you can buy all of your domains at GoDaddy. You can have them attached to your websites over here. And while you're over here at Builderall, you can start to create those independent email addresses for free as of right now. Free, 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 free. Yes, please. By the way, if you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and drop a comment below. Your feedback helps me create content that you want to see. Let's dive deeper into what Builderall offers and how it can be the digital marketing toolkit that you're searching for. I also have a 14-day free trial offer for you. I'll talk more about that at the end. Builderall isn't just a website builder, it's a comprehensive platform that has everything you need for online marketing. So whether that's creating stunning websites or doing sophisticated email campaigns or even selling and creating e-courses. And for those who love WordPress, Builderall's seamless integration allows you to leverage the best of both worlds. This means more power in your hands to create, manage, and grow your online presence. So if you're looking to do a print on demand or drop shipping or other things that have WordPress integration, you can have that over here while you still have all of your email marketing campaigns, your website and your funnel builder, e-courses, and even more. Starting to see the results? Now, Builderall has plenty of success stories from users who have transformed their online businesses using the platform, myself included, which is why I'm still here and happy 2 years later. So if you're interested in giving Builderall a try, I have a special offer for you. Down below in the description, I have a link. It's a 14-day free trial offer to Builderall, and you don't even need to enter credit card information. So this is a great way to give Builderall a try, test it out, and then if you feel like it's right for you, you can continue moving forward and building out your online presence. Getting started with Builderall is simple and straightforward. Just go through the sign up process and then you can start building your first funnel or website. Stay tuned for additional videos where I dive deeper into website and funnel building, how to set up your email and email campaigns, and even course building. Wrapping up, Builderall has definitely been a pivotal tool in my online journey. It's allowed me to streamline my workflow, cut down on my costs, which is always great, and has given me additional opportunities for growth. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, Builderall just might be the thing that you're looking for. Explore, experiment, and excel with Builderall. Now, if you're interested in how I make money online through affiliate marketing and side hustles, there's another link down below to the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. I took that at the beginning of 2021 and it has served me well and taught me a lot about affiliate marketing and how to be successful. But short of the long, affiliate marketing is a way for you to recommend other people's products or services and you make a commission on it when they purchase. And what's great about that is that anybody can do it and start it at any level, and you don't need to stock any inventory, you don't have to do any customer service or worry about any logistics. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. I'm Brandon Kyle, and I'll see you in another video.